Your subscription feature. Monetize your following and share premium content with your audience. Pages allow creators and communities to establish their own hub inside the platform. To get started, click Pages in the newsfeed menu. KYC verification is required to unlock subscription features and begin creating subscription pages. This process helps protect the platform by preventing spam, bots, and fraudulent actors from abusing monetization tools, ensuring a secure and trustworthy experience for everyone in the ecosystem. Once your KYC is approved, click Create Page. Create your page by simply filling in the required information fields. This allows you to customize your page and prepare it for your audience. Page owners can choose between private or public visibility. Private pages can only be accessed through an invite link. Public pages are searchable and displayed in the Pages directory, allowing users to browse and discover new pages across the platform. After completing the fields, click Create Page, and your page is created instantly without any additional review because you're already KYC verified. This allows you to begin building your page and sharing content right away. Click on Settings to open your Page Settings menu. Here you can add important information to fully set up your page for your viewers. Navigate down to Subscriptions. Here you can set your subscription price and create a description for potential subscribers. Add compelling information that encourages viewers to subscribe to your premium content. Click Save Subscription Settings when finished. Your subscription settings are now active and ready for potential subscribers. This allows users to clearly understand the value of subscribing to your page. Click Post to begin sharing content directly from your page. Create your content and choose whether it will be public or premium content only. If premium only is not selected, the post will be visible to public and appear in the newsfeed. Selecting premium only assures the content is exclusive to your subscribers. When ready, click Publish Post. Premium posts will display a premium subscriber label, letting users know they are viewing exclusive content available only to subscribers. Within your page profile, you will see the Emails section. This is where you have the same email marketing option to send email campaigns directly to your subscribers, giving you another powerful way to engage with your audience. In the dashboard, you will see a subscriptions section that displays your earnings. To withdraw your earnings, simply click Redeem, and your funds will be transferred to your withdrawal balance, where they can be withdrawn at any time. The subscription feature is not only an earning opportunity for creators, but also a major value driver for the token, helping create sustainable value across the entire ecosystem.